Good morning. Welcome to the Mind of STEM channel right here on YouTube. I'm your host, Leon Jones. And today, I'm going to give you a topic that deals with celestial beings, planets, galaxies, the Milky Way. You guessed it, I'm going to talk about astronomy. So the title of today's video is, let's talk about the field of astronomy. Better yet, let's talk about the science of astronomy. Let's talk about the science of astronomy. Now, astronomy is the study of the universe. It deals with celestial objects such as planets, stars, meteors, the nebulae, and galaxies, and various phenomena involving these objects. It comes from two Greek words, astro, which means star, and nomos, which means law. Combining these two words together, astronomy means law of the stars. Now, astronomy should not be confused with astrology. The latter involves studying the stars and relating it to people's individual characteristics and to the future, which has no scientific basis compared to astronomy. Now, people were engaged in the practice of astronomy for thousands of years, making it one of the oldest sciences. In fact, people in ancient history frequently watched the stars and took note of their positions in space. Now, even before modern astronomy, they studied these clusters of stars called constellations. Now, at present, different equipment such as ground-based telescopes are now used in observing celestial objects in space. However, astronomers, who are scientists, engaged in studying phenomena involving these celestial objects, use space probes and satellites to investigate the universe even further. Now, in addition to these pieces of equipment used to observe the universe, astronomers also use equipment to determine the electromagnetic spectrum and radiation emitted in space. Now, the use of these equipment or pieces of equipment, particularly photometers or photometers and spectrometers, enable discovery of celestial bodies, helping in increasing knowledge about the universe. Now, one thing you have to understand about astronomy, it has two main branches. The first one is optical astronomy, and that primarily uses telescopes to study visual, or we say visible, objects that are in the universe, while non-optical astronomy deals with the study of characteristics in the universe that are not visible to the naked eye through the use of other sophisticated instruments aside from telescopes. Now, one of these features is the electromagnetic spectrum, which gives us information on how the stars and other celestial bodies are formed. Now, there are numerous subfields in astronomy. Some of these are planetary astronomy, solar astronomy, stellar astronomy, galactic astronomy, extragalactic astronomy, and cosmology. Now, planetary astronomy, as the name implies, refers to the study of the planets as well as comets and meteors, while stellar astronomy deals with the study of the stars and changes these stars undergo from creation to death. Now, although the sun is considered a star, some references consider the study of the sun and its changes as a separate subfield, referring it to as a subject known as solar astronomy. Remember, anything that deals with the sun is solar. Now, meanwhile, galactic astronomy is the study of the motion and evolution of the Milky Way galaxy, which eventually lead to the study of the formation of galaxies. On the other hand, extragalactic astronomy studies other galaxies in the universe outside the Milky Way to determine the extent of interaction among these galaxies. Lastly, cosmology may sound differently compared to the other subfields in astronomy. It mainly seeks to answer the question, how does the universe look before the Big Bang occurred? Again, when you deal with cosmology, you also seek this question, how does the universe look before the Big Bang occurred? That should be, how did the universe look before the Big Bang occurred? So when we deal with cosmology, it focuses on the creation of the universe. Now, astronomy can be divided according to its links with other branches of space, such as astrobiology, deals with the beginning and evolution of biological science structures or biological structures in the universe, while astrogeology answers the question, what are the planets made of? Astrophysics refers to the study of physical properties of celestial bodies in the universe, while astrochemistry deals with the formation, distribution, and interaction of chemicals present in space. So, when we deal with astronomy, you have to ask yourself, how wide is astronomy? Well, so wide is the scope of astronomy that even its practices has its own branches. Professional astronomy is said to be divided into observational astronomy and theoretical astronomy. Observational astronomy refers to that branch that concentrates on getting data through observing celestial objects and analyzing them through using the principles of physics. However, theoretical astronomy is said to be more focused on using computer or analytical models and studying these celestial objects and several phenomena in which these are involved. And that concludes this segment on the overview of astronomy. Now, if you are interested in the field of astronomy, check out colleges that offer astronomy. I believe astronomy is a good field. If you're interested in studying the Milky Way, galaxies, planets, and with astronomy, there are other sciences that are common to regular sciences that we study. I mentioned astrogeology, astrochemistry, astrophysics. See, when you deal with astronomy, you deal with space. And again, astronomy refers to the study of the universe. It deals with celestial objects such as planets, stars, comets, and nebulae, and galaxies, and various phenomena involving these objects. Now, want to see me make more videos? Please comment, share, and subscribe. Once again, I thank you for listening to the Mind of STEM channel, where I give you a daily dose of science, technology, engineering, and math. And please subscribe to the channel and my other videos. Another channel called the 411 Talks on Radio Show. That's more of the controversial views. The Red Pill Edition. It's also on YouTube. Also, check out my Blog Talk Radio Show. I get into more depth when it comes to topics. But either way, please like, share, and comment on all of my videos, whether you agree or disagree with the content or how I do it. The object here is to teach and to give you an overview of what's going on in the real world. Now, if you can't find any of my videos on YouTube and you don't know where my Blog Talk Radio Show is, you can look up all of my information on my Facebook and Twitter pages. And again, I want to thank you for viewing the Mind of STEM channel. where you get a daily dose of science, technology, engineering, and math. Till next time, my name is Leon Jones. You have a good day.